Thank you very much. Thank you, Program Director, our TG, our AC, Fred Mamalada, our TG, Fernando Kari, our National Chairperson, Maggie Chamalada, our Deputy SG, Mamsira Paul, our National Organizer, Vusi Mangala. Thank you very much. I stand here before you today, not as a politician, but as a community leader. South Africa is tired of politicians. South Africa is tired of politicians. South Africa needs community leaders. South Africa needs people who will lead their own community before they lead the world. How will you lead a subdivision if you can't lead your own community? How will you lead your own and what? How will you lead your own community? How can you lead your community before you lead your municipal or sub-region municipal? Leadership, as I said, I have made a mark in my own community. I have done a lot for my own community. I am here to work for South Africa. I'm donated computers at Elisha High School. I may go home to go home into community where I supply people from my own village with water from my own pocket. I've donated food parcels, not from national lottery. Himani ya mwana. Sina mambo ya mwili na mwili kama ni kwa na leo. Tani hiyo matatizo tani maneno matatizo sera kwa na ATP. Kama huma shida sio hapa na habari. Na sisi tunasema Mungu even we did not ask people to come here. We did not ask anyone to come here. People organized their own transport to come and witness this historic day. Simula kwa kapanda na AAT Kirambo Church School. Say, I'm going to read the founding manifesto of the AAT. Because many of you are making what we stand for. So she got to Sumayamuta because still of AATP, the President Committee. Sumaya the politician last week, our community One Kukula region, I guess I can call it in activity, like the best of people. As Kukula in our today, they don't buy. I'm very naive. So, I'm going to sponsor a national individual. Chicago University, now Humana University, our University, then we are going to fight for the college in anything after the teaching at college in anything of drugs, the Puna and one. So the social was smaller than even here are ahead. And I don't know what the Krishna Panama, he moved the shit up over. He wanted everything ahead. I ended up in some hospital. I ended up appointment, never promised what the son who cleaners were there and left there. In my life, the government of I put down the it's how much of my hospital. Every day we are alive. At the same hospital, we are recognize. And the social status and prayer. You come to our hospital. Who got to get ready to come out of my head? I let it in a family and then I let it in a success. So, in our say, I am safety and security. Contemplation. The state should increase the remuneration of policing and defense personnel to avoid corruption by the police. No, we want to police our corruption along the way. That's why the way he is one of our but he obeyed the rule. Seven number one, anything wrong. You want to go so, AATP national association, but now this allowance. You want to know what Video never police South Africa zone. But I'm ina over the here the issue of policy. AATP believes that South Africa belongs to South Africa, but not one who lives in it. All people coming from any African country should be called a visitor, not a foreigner. But Ibuna mayekani. Say, ina kwalika ikana makeno ina o wale Mozambique. Yemu before rain. Ema keno ibiye visit. Mapomena ikana na mapoma ayiko. Na South America na Malaysia. Imo before rain. Ai tipika no pandela Africa. Babika no white, babika no visitors. The water South Africa. Na wana tunashuhudia. Kumiendo bakasha kutini na hali. Leo miendo bakasha kutini na Afrika dai. Ishito na miendo kama kai kataya. Sadiria ya kashenesha radical creation of jobs and economic development. AATP is a development party. So, if I don't like development, if I want development, I can community development. By the way, Professor Samuel is the first black professor in South Africa. My job is to one one thing I like about the Zulus, they embrace their culture and their leaders. That's why I was able to say, if you need to walk back there, Maramuna was able to say, university. My black professor, that's South Africa. Mana, who are the relationships with Shona? Abishka Rashid. Vai, eu disse que foi para ele, só dava na central do e só dava tempo. Mas não ia também, nós estamos na bafana nada. Vou dar uma se pegar na que eu vou dar, já está na já está na vai que eu só não chega no mar nem tiro. Asa para pegar uma dor ao eu IPWP. But let's not figure out why we get permanent jobs. I need temporary jobs. I need to remember young. When I have a deal, they make a sustainable local place and the world. When I have a deal, they make a sustainable who are not going to be easy. But somebody about a deal. But hopeless. But somebody never did get a socialist. But somebody never did get a matter. The issue is she was not to take a show. So, she got to go him to create a deal. I am clear that Hula. He had an issue with electricity. Issue electricity. Não está falando deles, eu já sou em família. Não tinha e creio com a ANC. Com a namorada, com a chefe só na hora dele. Quem é esse? Não sou velha, não sou velha aqui. Se eu não tenho, vai no namorado da ANC. But utaona mtikelo wao bwana akana tesi akama leo kama hata kama leo kama population ya ile ile level so akana tesi is a very big issue in South Africa. Hurrah! The akana tesi thinking the one way to pass for you. You can't tell what tesi the way the Management Chedi, the one name at the Africa zone. So, in India, at a road and infrastructure, Mapapia area. Many people have a I'm not here to embrace the fact that the Bible never proposes exams. The Bible says no teaching. Now, I can go home and hear you. Then it's how I will not pray to the Stara, waiting and waiting. Mansashi, she was also a call. I tell you the great that you will say. Great that you will say. They can tell you community to the town. One hour, one created, not the water tank, what Kukuma tank and so. She was here on tank and so. But I'm the victim of another. But I even do the chili, but they are put the money to the water tank. Say, sanitation. Water is sanitation. Even the young people have sport and culture. No, young sport and culture. Hey, I'm not giving you one. Yeah, I'm not giving you a space. I'm not giving you one. Just to remove nobody deny that. Papa, I tell you. When I look down each other, what does it give you? When I look down each other, what is the way I have to come to tell you? She was also saying, I'm going to tell you that. So she said, who will be the daughter? She would have put the family can somehow. The family can say, don't want to be the daughter. So who am I now? I'm going to show myself. What I'm going to do, I'm going to do. She went another remember she learned Emuba, he learned another nothing more global to the child. Question yourself, the child. Go let them away. But when you have a population as a 2 million. In number of 2 million as a country. She knows that she was official language. She knows that she was official language most of the time. The Buddha of the Maras, the one who gave to the way, who very about the translator to the way, my body to the way to keep. So we already studied the official language. Mama never to the way to wear. Kilometer of official language. So, kilometer of wear. And the very top official language. Everything that happens in the so, the person that and then we got to come from away that we get the second language to give our term official language. And because the family get a lot of time to say that they should have a ADP, we got to take the show. And still we forget that and to we find and time will be I In the ANC, you must bring the opposition party, government party, government remote, government party. When ANC government go, you can keep going at home. No government no good at the distance. The government distance that the election that we are that we will have. ANC